Good morning, dear students. This is P. Suryatesa, TGT English from Chundur Mandal, Guntur district. My dear student, my dear students, in this audio lecture, we are going to learn how to form a sentence or how to compare the sentence from positive degree to comparative degree and to superlative degree. So, my dear students, be ready. In the previous classes, we learned how to what are the rules, how to change the sentences. But in this audio lecture, we are directly going into the exercise part of the lesson. Now, in this exercise part, we are going to differentiate how to translate a positive degree and comparative degree, or from comparative degree to superlative degree, and so on. Okay, my dear students. So let us start today's topic or today's lesson. Rahul Dravid is one of the greatest batsmen in the world. So, my dear students, so transforming sentences from one degree to another degree is not a hard task, it is very easy. So, I will say you a rule. First of all, follow this rule. When you follow this rule, it would be easy for you to transform the sentences from positive degree to comparative degree and to superlative degree. The rule is, first of all, you should visualize what is said in the sentence. That's all. When you clearly visualize what is said in the sentence, then it will be easy for you to change the sentence to whatever degree it is. Be ready, students. First of all, visualize the sentence. First one, Rahul Dravid is one of the greatest batsmen in the world. Rahul Dravid is one of the greatest batsmen in the world. So, according to this sentence, what will be the meaning of this sentence? What will be the meaning of this sentence? The meaning of this sentence is Rahul Dravid is one of the greatest batsmen in the world. That means there are some greatest batsmen in the world. Listen clearly the meaning of the sentence. There are some greatest batsmen in the world, and among those greatest batsmen, Rahul Dravid is one. So that is the meaning of the statement which is depicted here. There are greatest batsmen in the world. Among those greatest batsmen, Rahul Dravid is one. So this is the superlative degree, superlative form. How can we say that it is superlative degree? Because the adjective here is great and est is added. When est is added, it is superlative form. So the given sentence is in superlative form and we have to change it into comparative form. Okay, my dear student. So there are many greatest batsmen. There are some greatest batsmen in the world. Among those greatest batsmen, Rahul Dravid is one. That is the meaning of the sentence. Now, coming to the comparative form will be written like this. Rahul Dravid is greater than many other batsmen in the world. So few batsmen are as great as Rahul Dravid, but many other batsmen are not so greater than Rahul Dravid. So the answer must be written as Rahul Dravid is greater than many other batsmen in the world. Now coming to the second one. Alexander was the greatest soldier in the world. Alexander was the greatest soldier in the world. That means in the sentence itself we can conclude the meaning as Alexander was the greatest soldier, means there are no soldier as great as Alexander. Alexander is only the greatest soldier according to the given sentence. So when Alexander is the only greatest soldier in the world. The positive form of the degree is no other soldier in the world is as great as Alexander. That's all. No other soldier in the world is as great as Alexander in this world. It's very easy. The sentence itself says that Alexander is the greatest soldier. That means there are no other soldier as great as Alexander. It's very easy. Coming to the third one. India is one of the fastest developing countries in the world. That means in the world there are few other fastest developing countries. India is one among them. That is the meaning of the sentence. When it is changed into comparative form, it can be written like this. India is developing faster than many other countries in the world. So few countries in the world are developing very fast, and India is one among them. So there are many other countries who are not developing so fast as India. That is the meaning of the sentence. When you know the meaning of the sentence, then you can change into whatever tense, whatever statement, whatever degree you may like. India is developing faster than many other countries in the world. That is third one. Now coming to fourth one. No other river in the world is so long as the Nile. That means no other river. There may be many rivers in the world, but no other river is so long as Nile. That means Nile is the longest river in the world. We can say easily. So the superlative form of this sentence is Nile is the longest river in this world. See, my dear students, river Nile is the longest river in the world. So we can easily write like this. And now coming to the fifth one. Hindi is one of the most popular languages in India. Hindi is one of the most popular languages in India means what is the meaning? That there are most popular languages in India. In that most popular languages in India, Hindi is also one. That is the meaning of this sentence. So when we change into positive degree, it forms as very few languages in India are as popular as Hindi. That means there are very few popular languages in India. Out of the very few popular languages, India is one among them. That is the meaning of this statement. Now coming to the sixth one. Lara is not so great as Tendulkar. Lara is not so great as Tendulkar. See here, the comparison is between only Lara and Tendulkar. Okay, it is clearly said that Lara is not so great as Tendulkar. That means Tendulkar is greater than Lara. It is very easy. Tendulkar is greater than Lara. That is the answer. Is greater than Lara. Now coming to the seventh one. What is the seventh one? Rekha is one of the most beautiful girls in the class. So the meaning of the sentence can be derived very easily. Rekha is one of the most beautiful girls in the class. There is a group in the class. That group name is Most Beautiful Girls. That is the name of the group. So in the Most Beautiful Girls group, Rekha is one member. That means there are another group of girls. In that group, there are girls which are not beautiful as the second group. So that is the other group. So when we change it into positive degree, the answer will be like this. Very few girls in the class are as beautiful as Rekha. So in the second group, that means in the most beautiful girls group, Rekha is one. So there will be a few girls are as beautiful as Rekha. So it is very easy. Very few girls in the class are as beautiful as Rekha. This is very easy. Next, coming to the eighth one. Very few metals are as expensive as platinum. That means now change into comparative degree. That is, platinum is expensive than many other metals. It is very easy. See here, platinum is more expensive than many other metals in the world. It is very easy to change these type of sentences when you visualize the sentences, when you visualize the meaning of the sentences clearly. Then it will be easy for you to change the sentences from positive to superlative, from superlative to comparative, to any other form. Now coming to the ninth one. Shimla is colder than all other hill stations in the Himachal Pradesh. That means in Himachal Pradesh there are many hill stations. So many hill stations, but out of all those hill stations, Shimla is the coldest place. So what will be the answer? Shimla is one of the coldest hill stations in Himachal Pradesh. Definitely that is the answer. Now, Delhi is one of the most crowded cities of India. 10th one. Very few cities in India are as crowded as Delhi. That is the comparison given to this statement. Okay, my dear students. So it is, a transformation of sentences from positive to comparative and from comparative to superlative might be somewhat hard, but when you practice how to transform these sentences from one to other, then it will be easy for you to change from one degree to another degree. Okay, my dear students, let's meet in the next class with another topic. Thank you.